In today's session, we'll be discussing co-products in manufacturing, along with the capabilities we've developed in eWorkplace apps as solutions. We'll begin with a quick overview and then move into a live demonstration. First, let us understand what is a co-product. A co-product is a secondary product that is intentionally produced along with the main product during a single manufacturing process. Co-products are planned outputs. They have significant value. They are costed and managed similar to the main product. Co-products are common across multiple industries, like in process manufacturing, oil and gas, dairy, meat processing. In discrete manufacturing, PCB panel production, sheet cutting, timber processing. For this demo, let's consider a simple example. We process crude oil. From a single process, we produce main product, gasoline, co-products to diesel and kerosene. Now moving into the system. This is the formula for crude oil processing for 1,000 gallons of crude oil. We have introduced a co-product tab within the formula screen. Here, gasoline is defined as the finished good. Diesel and kerosene are defined as co-products. The sequence refers to the order in which finished good and co-products will be produced during the manufacturing process. Let's take the formula volume as 1,010 gallons. Based on this, you can define output quantities for each product. This is typically based on process experience or standard yield. A key enhancement here is cost allocation. You can define % cost for finished good and each co-product. Cost can be defined across 5 different cost buckets, which gives us a more granular view of the overall cost distribution. This formula is mapped to bill of material. Now we move to batch entry. Let's create a mix-type batch. Upon choosing the formula with co-product configuration, a new field called Raw Material Inventory ID is introduced. This allows you to select the key input material, for example, crude oil, which is used to drive production quantities. Here we can input the quantity of raw material we have, and system automatically calculates the output, or we can input the quantity of finished good we want to produce, and system will back calculate the quantity of raw material that will be required based on formula proportions. Save and release the batch. Once completed, we will go to the batch ticket. You'll see details of finished good, which is gasoline. All co-product details carried forward from the formula. In the Totals tab, the system shows allocated cost for any product you select based on defined distribution percentages in the formula. This gives clear visibility into product-wise cost insights. After material issue, we move back to our batch ticket and complete move transactions for each process step. After the last move entry, finished good, plus co-products are automatically generated and quantities remain aligned with the formula. The co-product functionality of eWorkplace apps is available for discrete as well as process manufacturing and will be available as a separate SKU. Thank you.